Hello friends, today we will discuss unit plan. A unit plan is a detailed and organized teaching guide that outlines the content, objectives and activities and assessment for a specific unit of study with a course or subject. It serves as a roadmap for teachers to deliver lessons effectively and ensure that learning objectives are achieved within a set time frame. The key elements of unit plan is first title or topic, the theme or subject matter of the unit. For example, the water, the First World War, like that. Grade level and subject. It specifies the intended audience and course. It means the unit plan is made for which grade and which subject. Example may be grade 7, subject may be science. Duration, the time allocated to complete the unit, such as the weeks or specific class periods. Learning objectives, clear and measurable goals describing what students should know, do or understand by the end of the unit. Curriculum standards, alignment with local, state or national educational standards to ensure relevance and compliance. Essential questions, the questions should be open-ended that guide students to inquiry and stimulate critical thinking related to the unit topic. Content or topics covered, a list of the main ideas, concepts or skills that will be taught during the unit. Lesson plans. In a unit plan, there may be more than one lesson plans. So a breakdown of individual lessons within the unit, including activities, materials and instructional strategies. Instructional strategies are methods and techniques used to teach the content, such as lectures, group discussions, experiments or multimedia presentations. Activities and resources, specific tasks like projects, experiments or hands-on activities, and materials used are books, online tools or visuals needed for instruction. Assessment and evaluation, tools to measure students' learning, such as quizzes, essays and presentations or peer assessments. Plans for accommodating diverse learning needs, including modifications or struggling learners, advanced students or those with special needs. Reflection and review, opportunities for the teachers and students to reflect on the learning process and outcomes to identify areas for improvement. Benefits of unit plan. It ensures coherence and progression in teaching. It provides a structured timeline for covering material. It helps to integrate cross-curricular connections. It facilitates collaborative teaching and sharing of resources. It allows for consistent assessment and tracking of students' progress. Unit plans are flexible, can be adjusted based on classroom needs, student understanding, and unexpected challenges.